probinsyanong trader na naman. So another video tutorial guys, kung papaano laruin itong Hamster Combat. Ito yung complete guide na directly nilagay sa kanilang website. So ito, ginawa ko itong video tutorial na ito para sa lahat, para at least maintindihan ng lahat, especially yung hindi naiintindihan yung laro na Hamster Combat. Okay, so Hamster Combat guide guys. So who we are, nakalagay dito, Hamster Combat is a new project where you can become the head of the largest crypto exchange, take control of your income. You can invite friends, so pwede kayong mag-invite sa mga kakilala nyo, family, or sino pa yan na gusto nyong i-share ang larong ito, para at least marami tayong makaka-benefits nito. Okay, so paano to siya laruin guys? So simple lang naman yung mga task. Isa sa mga task ay pumili ka ng exchange na ginamit mo. Kung hindi mo pa na-try yung mga exchanges, ito yung mga available exchanges worldwide. Top 1 of course, Binance, Bybit, merong OKX, HTX, KuCoin, Get.io, Mixi, at Bitgate. So ito yung mga familiar na mga crypto exchanges. So ang ganitong laro pala guys ay isang Web3 na innovation at top to earn na nag-trending ngayon sa Telegram. So ito yung sumunod sa Notcoin, at yung Notcoin pala guys ay listed na sa Binance at ibang exchanges. So yan guys. Sorry guys, nawala. Pause na. Okay, sorry, nawala guys. Alright, so after that, makikita nyo, so ito yung settings, ito yung screen nyo, makikita nyo yung settings, tapos i-click nyo lang, select language, tapos choose exchange. Pagkatapos naman guys, i-tap mo yung hamster, then lahat ng earned points mo while tapping ay makikita nyo sa taas na merong dollar sign. Okay, sa baba ng inyong name at sa baba ng earn per tap, coins to level up, at saka profit per hour. Then after that, yung para lumaki yung earned points mo, pwede mong i-upgrade yung mga level para kumita ka ng malaking points. So sa level 1 of course 0 pa yung points, tapos kung mag level 2 ka, meron ka ng current balance na 5,000, hanggang umabot ka ng Grandmaster, meron kang 100 million earning coins. So earning coins is simple. You tap on the screen and get them. One tap equivalent to 1 coin. Then pwede ka ding kumita ng coin or points through boosting. So ang pag boost naman, ito yung sa baba sa right side, yung makikita nyo yung boost, tapos merong small rocket na logo. You can fully replenish your energy 6 times in a day and earn even more coins for free yan. Merong 6 ka energy na free per day. Okay, then you can earn more than 1 coin per tap. For this you need to multi-tap boost. So pag i-upgrade mo yung level 1, 2,000 points yung value niya or yung price. Then you can increase your energy capacity as well. Click mo lang yung boost, tapos upgrade mo lang yung level ng energy capacity. Level 1, it costs 2,000 points. So makikita nyo dito, multi-tap. Nakita nyo ito, multi-tap, tapos merong energy limit. Okay, so pag mag level 2, 2,000 points na. Para mag level 2, 2,000 points yung price. Okay, after that, you can earn more points or coins pag ano mo yung ma-comply mo yung mga task list nila, like joining the Telegram channel or Telegram group, or follow their Twitter account, official Twitter account, and invite friends, and many more. So nandyan na lahat sa screen or sa website nila, at just click earn, itong naka box sa right side, naka rectangle. So playing everyday earns, you're guaranteed extra coins. Meron ka ding ma-receive na daily rewards if you open their website or app. So from day 1 up to day 10. So mag reset siya after 10 days. Tapos pag 10 days ka na, you will get 5 million points or coins for free. Okay, just by opening your daily reward, okay, or claiming your daily reward. At meron tinatawag din na passive income. So kung busy ka sa trabaho, or gusto mong kumita kahit offline, walang internet, pwede ka din kumita. Just level up your profit per hour, or bumili ka ng mga cards na available sa mine. Okay, your exchange has the option profit per hour. This means that you can upgrade it so that it works even you are not in the game. So kahit offline, walang internet, pwede pa din tumubo yung points mo. Okay, so ito yung passive na sinasabi nila. Ito yung profit per hour. So important notice, passive income only works for 3 hours after logging out of the game, then the mining stops and you need to re-enter the game. Ito pala yung ano nila, important notice. So 3 hours lang pala yung passive income, tapos after logging out of the game, then the mining stops and you need to re-enter the game para mag-reset siya, at another 3 hours na naman na tumubo na naman yung passive income mo, or gumana yung passive income mo. So after that, you can boost your profit. Yan yun. Then if you want your exchange to bring passive income, buy cards in the mine section. So ito yun, just click the mine, yung merong axe na logo or palakol, then you can buy the cards you want, at meron siyang mga level, at kailangan mo lang sundin yung mga instruction paano siya i-upgrade. So opening a card displays cost and your extra profit. Okay, like ito, Facebook as level 1 profit per hour is 70 points. It costs you 500 points. Okay, so yan lang, ganyan lang kasimple. Tapos click mo lang yung go ahead, then more profit. Yes, referral program, you can send an invitation link kung meron kang mga friends na gusto din maglaro sa Hamster Combat na Tap to Earn game. So you can send your invitation link sa friends list na nakalagay sa website nila. When your friend clicks through, this will be displayed at the bottom of the friends list as repair program participants. You will both get 2,000 coins standard account, or 25 coins if you have Telegram Premium. So ito yun guys, itong nakalagay na friends. So pwede mo silang i-invite kung gusto nila maglaro din sa Hamster Combat. So ayun guys, when your friend reaches a certain exchange level, you get extra bonuses. Okay, so makikita nyo yan sa friends na option dito. Okay, so have a great time playing. We'll be happy to watch your exchange grow. Of course, this is just the beginning and we're going to expand the functionality. Check out how. Then for more info or updates, you can follow their official Twitter account or YouTube channel for more details or mga updated na mga or mga bagong upload nila ng mga info or new updates ng company. So thank you for watching, guys. This is Provincianong Trader. I hope nakakatulong tong video tutorial na ito, and happy playing mga camser, and God bless us all.